Hello everyone, welcome to Study Unique. I am Mrs. Nahin presenting an interesting and useful topic, one word substitution. This video is made exclusively for class 10 students to help them improve their English vocabulary. One word substitution is also helpful to those candidates who are preparing for various competitive exams. One word substitutes are words that replace a group of words or sentence. We use one word substitution to express ourselves precisely and accurately. So let us start with some important one word substitutions. A person who believes in fate. Fatalist. Fatalist. A person who is above 100 years. Centenarian. Centenarian. One who is present everywhere. Omnipresent. Omnipresent. A person who can do anything for money. Mercenary. Mercenary. One who hates women. Misogynist. Misogynist. A practice of having one wife or husband. Monogamy. Monogamy. A life history written by oneself. Autobiography. Autobiography. A position for which no salary is paid. Honorary. Honorary. A sentence whose meaning is unclear. Ambiguous. Ambiguous. That which cannot be imitated. Inimitable. Inimitable. One who believes in God. Theist. Theist. One who spends too much money. Spendthrift. Spendthrift. One who abstains from taking alcohol. Teetotaler. Teetotaler. One who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. A person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of knowledge, culture, etc. Pioneer. Pioneer. A person or thing that cannot be corrected. Incorrigible. Incorrigible. A person of good understanding, knowledge and reasoning power. Intellectual. Intellectual. A person who knows many languages. Polyglot. Polyglot. One who possesses many talents. versatile, versatile. Words inscribed on a tomb. Epitaph, epitaph. Something that is impossible to understand. Unintelligible, unintelligible. A handwriting that cannot be read. Illegible, illegible. Something that cannot be erased. Indelible, indelible. A person who has exaggerated respect for high social position. Snob, snob. One who is able to read and write. Literate, literate. A person who is very knowledgeable about or skillful in a particular area. Expert, expert. A person skilled in foreign languages. Linguist, linguist. A person who speaks 2 languages fluently. Bilingual, bilingual. A person who studies and writes about grammar. Grammarian, grammarian. A young person with exceptional qualities. Prodigy, prodigy. Having great special talent. Gifted, gifted. Someone or something that is high above average. Exceptional, exceptional. A person or thing that is a perfect example of a particular quality. Epitome, epitome. A poem or other literary work in the form of a letter. Epistle, epistle. A speech at the end of a book. Epilogue, epilogue. That brings us to the end of our video. I hope this video is very useful to you. Please post your comments below the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe Study Unique. We will be back with another interesting topic. Until then, keep watching our channel Study Unique and keep learning. Thank you.